All right, 2020 GT500. I just got done fixing the heater hose issue that are plaguing all these early cars, maybe all of them. But the heater hose is sticking up in the, jammed up between the supercharger and the firewall and potentially getting cut. So the overall project, I'm gonna make a post on FordGT500.com on the DIY section, step by step with pictures of each step, but overall the job isn't too bad. I did 98% of it by myself. My wife was down here briefly and I just had her help me move the strut tower brace out of the way, which was helpful having a second set of hands for that. But yeah, I mean, I was taking my time and taking pictures and documenting each step, so there's quite a few fasteners, and really the biggest challenge is getting to the ones underneath the wiper cowl, but it's doable if you use some spacers. But like I said, go to FordGT500.com and I will have a step-by-step of how to tackle this project and fix it yourself versus taking it to the dealer and having them scratch everything up. But my heater hose is now sitting down in the channel and not getting pinched. All good. It's ready to rock.